Hey guys, I just wanted to make another video, and let me see, today is March the 18th, and I wanted to make another video because earlier this week I thought that my pellet stove was broken. It would light, but it would not stay lit. And I saw a light on my indicator light that I've never seen before, and it was red. And so that told me something was wrong with my pellet stove. We have the Pellet Pro PP70, and it's been working like a champ up until this, the first part of this week. We noticed it on Monday. And so Monday and Tuesday, I had to run my heater in my home, the forced air unit, because I could not keep my Pellet Pro lit, and it was driving me crazy. But I saved myself an embarrassing conversation with the Pellet Pro people because I remembered that this stove has baffles, and let me show you where those are at. If you're new to pellet stoves, I just cleaned it out, and it's part of the cleaning process, and you have to follow the guide, the cleaning guide that's on the back of the door of the I'll call it a tank. I don't know, I'm lost for words right now, but back here is a weekly, daily, weekly, and monthly maintenance schedule that you can follow. But anyway, so I was doing step 1 and 2, but I realized after reading that I was skipping step 3, and that is to, I don't know, yes, you can see that. Okay, so that is to remove these baffles. So back here, you have 3 baffles that will come out. I'll take out 2. So what I discovered when I removed these is back here in this stove, I don't know if you can see that, but back in the back, that was just filled with ash, so thick that down here in the bottom, I guess that's where the opening for the flue is. Get out of the way and get out of the light there. See that opening down there in the bottom? That is where all the hot air escapes through the flue and through the vent pipe. And it was just so full, and I was so embarrassed, but it was so full that this stove would not breathe. And therefore, I guess it's a safety feature that once it's clogged up like that, it does not... it will not run. And so what I did, I took off my baffles and I cleaned that back area really well, and just got it very clean. So now I'm so paranoid now that I'm cleaning it every other day because I do not want it to get that way. So because we want to continue using this. This thing has worked like a champ this winter. We're on the back side of it now, should be warming up. I'm using maybe a quarter of a bag of pellets, just to get us through the night down. Our gas bill this month was down to $46 just for our gas bill, which... I had a friend tell me the other day that their gas bill for their home was close to $1,000 this month. So we want to continue using this to save money, from paying that expensive natural gas. But anyway, yeah, I thought she was broken, but I was embarrassed because she was just very dirty. And so anyway, those of you that are interested in buying a Pellet Pro or any type of stove, cleanliness is the key to keeping these things running. So I just wanted to give y'all an update. It is March 18th, 2023. We're almost down in the end of our first season of using our Pellet Pro, and I just could not be happier with this purchase. So anyway, hope you guys all are having a great weekend, and we'll talk to you later. I'm out.